For decades, we thought the robot revolution was a distant dream, a fantasy of Hollywood. But in 2026, that dream has taken a physical, metallic form. Elon Musk is no longer satisfied with conquering space or the streets. He is now building the next version of us. This isn't just about a machine that can lift boxes. It's about a multi-billion-dollar bet on the end of human labor. The Tesla bot is no longer a prototype. It's a pre-order for a future we might not be ready for. Beyond the convenience of a robotic butler lies a terrifying psychological question. If a machine can do everything you can faster, better, and without a salary, what happens to the value of a human being? Welcome to the Vault. Today we decode Musk's most dangerous gamble yet. The Silicon Soul, how we got here, and why 2026 is the year reality changed forever. To understand the threat, we have to look at the evolution. Gen 1 was a joke, Gen 2 was a tool, but Gen 3? It's a mirror. It uses the same full self-driving neural networks that Tesla cars use to navigate chaotic streets. It doesn't just follow code. It learns through end-to-end neural networks. It watches a human fold a shirt, and within minutes it masters the task. It mimics your walk, your posture, and eventually, it predicts your behavior. Musk's vision is a 1-to-1 ratio. One robot for every human on Earth. A billion-unit industry that could make Tesla the first $10 trillion company. But as the Silicon Army grows, the human workforce is shrinking. We are told this will lead to a world of universal high income, but history tells a different story. In a world where labor costs zero, the power shifts entirely to those who own the machines. This is the cyberpunk reality. Not just neon lights and flying cars, but the total obsolescence of the working class. If you aren't the one writing the code, are you even necessary in 2026? The danger isn't just economic, it's existential. When machines look like us and talk like us, the human spark becomes a commodity. We are trading our purpose for a bit more efficiency. Elon Musk believes this is the only way for humanity to survive alongside AI, to become more like them before they become too much like us. It's a gamble with no undo button. Are you ready to share your home, your job, and your world with billions of AI humanoids? The vault is closing, but the conversation is just beginning. Let me know your thoughts below. Is this progress or a trap? Subscribe to stay ahead of the future. Thanks for watching.